Hi everybody, my name's Ed Morris, I'm Technical Manager for Altechnic. I just want to do a short, quick fire video today where we're going to talk about a press fit range of ball valves. So why do we use press fit, or what is press fit? It was very much a commercial product years ago, but it's very much moved into the domestic market now. And what it allows us to speed up the install process. So there's no hot work, so you haven't got to worry about soldering joints, etc. And all you can simply do is cut your pipe in. You can put these valves in with a special pressing tool. You simply crimp each end together, and that then creates your joint, or your watertight joint. Now, this valve itself is quite unique in the way it's designed. So this is what we have a universal press system on there. So anything from 15 to 35 mil, we can press with either a V profile or an M profile. Now, each pressing tool has its own profile. Then anything above that, so 42 to 54 mil, just becomes M press. So it's M and V up to 35 mil, and then it's V press anything above that. It's got all the good features of a standard ball valve. So we've got full bore operation, anti-blowout stem, double O-rings, etc., DZR brass. So we have all those really good features of a standard ball valve, just the ease of installing with press fit. Now, if you want any more information on this valve or any of the other valves in our range, please head over to our website, which is www.altechnic.co.uk, where you can find a lot more information on these, but also any of the other valves in our range. But also we have our own YouTube channel with plenty of videos on there, so head over to YouTube and search for Altechnic. I thank you for watching.